As well as vertical shifts, we also have horizontal shifts. So, horizontal shifts are when an original line moves left or right. You'll notice that F is what we usually use to name a line. So, my line F in red, if I want to move it horizontally, I can either move it to the left a certain amount, or I can move it to the right a certain amount. Our rule for shifting something horizontally is we take our original function and we are going to now, instead of affect the output, we are going to affect the input. So it is going to change by a certain h value. And you'll notice I have x minus h. So if my h value was a positive 2, okay, that would look like x minus 2. If it was a negative 2, that would look like x minus a negative, which turns into a plus 2. So let's say my blue, which is g of x, let's say it was originally equal to my original function, f, but now I'm moving a certain amount to the left. Let's say I moved to the left 2 spaces. Well, inside the parentheses, left 2 would be a negative 2. So that would actually, we don't like to see double negatives, that would actually look like this, x plus 2. So g of x is just our original function shifted 2 units to the left. H of x is our original function, but now it is shifted 2 units to the right. So since our h value is 2, it's going to be x minus 2. Horizontally is always opposite of what we think. Okay, let's look at an example. If I told you that f of x was equal to, let's say, 2x plus 3. Okay, so I have f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Now let's say g of x is the original function, except for the input, we are now going to subtract, or we're going to have minus 5. Let's see how that affects it. Instead of an x in the original, we're going to have an x minus 5. So since our original was 2x plus 3, our x is now going to be an x minus 5, right? That's what we're inputting into the function. Instead of an x, we're inputting an x minus 5. So when I distribute that 2 into the parentheses, I get 2x minus 10 plus 3. When I combine like terms, I get 2x minus 7. So my new function, g of x, that would represent a horizontal shift 5 units to the right would be 2x minus 7. And again, what tells me that it's 5 units to the right is this part right here. It's opposite of what you think. If I had h of x is equal to f of x plus 4, that would tell me that my original function f of x is now shifted 4 units to the left. And again, what indicates that is this plus sign here. Plus means it's going to go in the negative direction, while minus means it's going to go in the positive direction.